Number 1. Number 2.
This door button seal is made of silicon non-toxic, durable, and flexible, not easy to be deformed while using. High resilience and no damage to your floor. Our door button seal with 3 layers upgrade design. It can seal the gap from 0 to 1 inch. It will efficiently reduce noise, wind, dust, and keep bugs away. What's more, it keeps your room more cold in summer and warm in winter. Suitable for different doors, such as wooden doors, metal doors, glass doors, and so on. In order to keep the strong thickness, please make sure the seal and door is clean and dry before you apply. Now, let me show how to install it. Very simple to install. It just takes a few minutes. Firstly, keep adhesive on and hold straight for door edge to edge. Secondly, while holding, cut wide where the door ends. And the last remove plastic, align 3 button with floor, press on. A small thing can use for all-season protection and bring you absolutely comfortable and quiet private space. Highly recommend.
Number 3.